next generation of aviation that is much more respectful to the environment and brings new technologies for the good. Before this really can scale up, because before all this ecosystem forms and comes together, this is, in our opinion, rather towards the end of the decade.
TM also has an important role, not only to enable the new kind of operations, but to support and accelerate the transformation of the conventional air traffic management. We are protecting the existing planes that are flying in the airspace. So it is not just to create new spaces and then to go in the negative way to others, but really to ensure that all the different actors in the airspace can cohabitate in a safe manner. So I think the challenge really is not on the individual technologies, but to put everything together and ensure this vision we have for the future of the airspace. Challenge to ensure that this regulation has as much common as possible in all the different countries around the world.
The future technologies that we saw emerging a few years ago, when you talk about autonomous flight, more automation, if you talk about electric propulsion, and if you bring all these elements together, you realize pretty quickly that there is actually an amazing opportunity of bringing together these new technologies with a new and complementary market. Learn about these new technologies to train our employees to mature all the different elements that are needed. And this can also be useful for other areas of our product range. And if you're part of the first introduction of these technologies to a market, then you can leverage that also for the later or future use cases for these kind of technologies.